Welcome to Bike Zone Pro. The motorcycle world is buzzing with excitement as Harley Davidson unveils the 2025 WLA, a modern tribute to the legendary military bike of World War II. The WLA has always been a symbol of rugged reliability and raw power, and this new version aims to capture that spirit while infusing it with cutting-edge technology and design. In today's video, we'll dive deep into what makes the 2025 Harley Davidson WLA a masterpiece of modern engineering with a historical soul. A tribute to history. The original Harley Davidson WLA was built in the 1940s for military use, known for its durable design and ability to tackle rough terrain. The 2025 model pays homage to its heritage with a retro-inspired look, featuring the iconic olive green paint, military-style saddlebags, and rugged tires. But this is no ordinary throwback. Harley has blended history with modern innovation, creating a bike that honors the past while being ready for the future. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 WLA lies a powerful Milwaukee 8-114 engine, delivering the signature Harley rumble with an impressive 100-plus horsepower. The bike is designed for both urban riding and off-road adventures, thanks to its advanced suspension system and reinforced frame. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling dirt trails, the 2025 WLA ensures a smooth yet thrilling ride. Modern technology meets classic design. Harley Davidson has seamlessly integrated modern tech without compromising the classic aesthetics. The WLA comes equipped with a full LED lighting system, a digital-analog hybrid display, and Bluetooth connectivity for navigation and media. Riders also benefit from advanced safety features, including traction control, ABS, and adaptive ride modes tailored for different terrains. Built for adventure. One of the standout features of the 2025 WLA is its off-road capability. With high ground clearance, a reinforced skid plate, and specially designed all-terrain tires, this bike is more than just a cruiser, it's an adventurer's dream. Whether you're exploring backroads, highways, or even military-style training grounds, the WLA is built to handle it all. Limited Edition Legacy. Harley Davidson has confirmed that the 2025 WLA will be produced in limited numbers, making it a highly sought-after collector's item. Each unit will come with a unique serial number and a certificate of authenticity, ensuring that owners get a true piece of Harley history. If you're a fan of classic military bikes or simply love rugged motorcycles with character, this is one release you won't want to miss. Final thoughts. The 2025 Harley Davidson WLA is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It blends the past with the future, offering riders a chance to experience history in a modern, powerful machine. With its nostalgic design, cutting-edge technology, and rugged performance, this bike is a dream come true for Harley enthusiasts and adventure riders alike. What do you think about the 2025 Harley Davidson WLA? Would you ride this legendary beast? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more amazing motorcycle content. Thanks for watching Bike Zone Pro, ride safe and stay legendary. I've crafted a compelling script for your YouTube video on the 2025 Harley Davidson WLA, ensuring it blends historical tribute with modern innovation. Let me know if you'd like any refinements.